Hey, this is Jamie Campbell from Raceco USA. Just want to give the guys over at KWT a huge shout out. You guys build a killer product, and it gives us the longevity we need to make it to the finish line. Thank you.
My name is Cadence Wan. A couple of my top favorite things about the KWT filter is that it keeps all of our air filters completely clean after a long race or play ride. Also, it is very easy to install with absolutely no electrical needed.
What's up, dudes? Richard with KWT Off-Road, Desert Vents Racing. We run the KWT particle separator on our car because we like to go fast out there and we like to save power. This thing doesn't require any electrical and it's simple.
What's up, everybody? This is Cameron Murray with InWhips. Just want to say thank you to KWT for their awesome air filter. No longer getting any more codes, no more noise, and just driving clean.
What's up, guys? Adam Fitza here. We all like going fast. We like power. The only way to save that power is keeping your air filter clean, and that's why I choose KWT.